on. Wait till you see this. This way.
This is gonna be great.
Follow me.
Come on.
You're gonna love it. There's something in here that you absolutely
Have to see.
Try to keep up.
It's not far now.
It's right down here.
This is it.
What is it? It's your future.
We're training the advanced manufacturing workforce of Eastern North Carolina right here at the local community college. This could be any one of 8 schools in this region where rapid growth is the new normal. So, when it comes to getting people ready for exciting, rewarding careers and matching those people with manufacturers who need them,
We're on it.
whether you're an employer or a potential employee,
We're ramping up for you.
Eastern North Carolina is seeing unprecedented growth. To feed that growth, we've combined 2 existing workforce development boards to create the Regional Advanced Manufacturing Pipeline for Eastern North Carolina, or RAMP East. Companies are coming from all over the world to set up shop here, producing everything from aircraft components and medical devices to fire suppression systems and parts for home appliances. You name it, we make it, right here. The demand for new skills is huge, which drives home the importance of education and training. 2 things that are easier to get than you may realize.
Looking at the great courses that the community college offers for advanced manufacturing, I would advise anyone in Eastern North Carolina to pursue that career.
RAMP East aligns the training at community colleges with the needs of employers to give job seekers a pathway to real careers in advanced manufacturing. All you have to do is go to your local ENC Works Career Center. Tell them you would like to find a job in advanced manufacturing. They will help you evaluate your options and choose the best path for you. Talk to a Career Center counselor about courses you should take to get the skills you'll need for your chosen field. Then, take those courses at your local community college. Once you've prepared yourself, there's nothing to do but start your new career.
I think what makes the workforce special is the way people treat you like a friend from the time you come in the door. It's a close group of people that work here together.
And if you're looking for a clean work environment, look no further. Today's manufacturing is 180 degrees out from yesterday's factories. Hundreds of graduates from 8 community colleges enter the RAMP East workforce each year. They have associate degrees, certificates, broad skills and understanding that make them ideal candidates for a wide array of advanced manufacturing scenarios. Feedback has been overwhelmingly positive for the region, its people, and their training.
The people that work here are committed, so everybody here is here to do their very best.
And you can be one of those people.
If you're looking for a career, just 3 things you need to know.
NC Works, community college training.
Job.
Say it with me. NC Works, community college training, job.
Pretty simple, huh? And hey, it works.
The quality of the local trainees here is phenomenal. We've had some very sharp individuals come in and start off very quickly and learn the jobs and do what needs to be done to make us successful. We've been setting new records every year.
So, whether you're an aspiring employee
Would I do it again? Absolutely.
or an employer,
Is being here great for our company? Absolutely.
you should take a look at how our region of North Carolina is ramping up to meet your needs. For further information on your future with RAMP East, visit our website. Absolutely.